Hi, this is John Benson, Penglase and Benson, where we help business owners make and keep more of their profit. I wanted to give you another update on the SBA EIDL loan crisis and what we're seeing when we're talking to both borrowers and also to the SBA and the Treasury Department. And that is the issue of notice. Notice that you are in default, and what is going to happen next seems to be a big problem with Treasury and the SBA. If you are in default, what should happen is SBA should send you a notice that says, hey, you're in default, you have 60 days to get out of default, pay up, or in other words, bad things will happen. It will get moved on to Treasury, you will have a collection fee imposed upon you, all the various penalties. That is not happening. A lot of people are reporting that they never got notice. Or maybe the notice came through the portal and they just weren't looking there. Some people don't even know they have a portal. Some didn't have access to the portal. Some people were expecting a paper copy of a default notice to come in the mail, and it came by email. So the bottom line is, if you are not up to date with your payments, then do not count on the fact that you're going to get a paper notice saying that you're in default. We had one case last week in which the person got the default notice in April, but their file had been transferred to Treasury in February before the notice even went out. And so when they called SBA to get up to date with their payments, SBA said, well, you can't because we already transferred your file. And they didn't get notice of that until after the fact. So if you are behind in your payments, do not count on getting something in the U.S. mail indicating that you are in default. Be proactive. So go into your portal. Make sure that you've checked the notice section in your portal to see if there are any notices that have come in. If they have come in, take them seriously and address them right away. And if you can't, get a hold of an SBA EIDL default attorney who can help you with the next steps. So don't just sit around thinking you're going to get something in the mail. You probably won't. It will probably come by email. And if it comes by email, you could get it directly or through your portal. But be proactive and keep vigilant with these things and check them all the time if you are in default or suspect that you may be in default. Hope this helps. For more information on SBA EIDL defaults, check us out at penglaseandbenson.com. You can follow us at Facebook and Instagram. And as always, if this video has been helpful in any way, please like, share, and subscribe so you can get future updates. Have a great week.